How's it going? James, Online Car Show. Well, Roger reached out to me recently and said, hey, why don't you give the guys some driving footage? So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna give you all some footage inside the ZR1 with the new cam from Houston Performance. So without hesitation, let's get this video started. All right, well, sorry if the video's a little shaky and so forth. I'm trying to give you all some in-car driving footage, but DSLR camera is really heavy, so it kind of shakes it up a little bit. Just to give you all background, those that haven't been paying attention to the channel, this is 2012 ZR1. It's got a Lingenfelter kit, which includes an upper pulley and cold air intake. And the guy before also put on an ATI 14% lower pulley. It's got a full exhaust that includes American Racing long tubes, midsection, off-road, no cats, and Akropovic exhaust on the back, which, as you can tell, drones really bad. I'm not a big fan of that, but it's such an expensive exhaust, and the wife likes the carbon fiber tips. And when you get on it, it does really sound good, but I'm just not a fan of the drone associated with it. And here in a minute, I'll give you all a little bit of footage. Just listen to the car. I'll unplug my mic, so that's coming, but love driving it. I mean, 762 horsepower of happiness, and that's at will. So at the tire, you got to figure it's probably 850 or more. So it will freaking get up and go. But been fun as hell having it ever since. There's a Stingray actually I'm pulling up to right now. Gave me the breaking neck. Broke his neck looking at me driving by, but love driving the freaking car. Here's the Stingray. Barely saw him going by, but love driving it. The cam is freaking insane, is all I gotta say. It gets up and freaking moves. But anyways, just give you all a review. He just didn't have any traction. Is my only complaint with this car. Zero traction. So it's also got an LMR Heat Exchanger as well as an expansion tank to help cool it down. Other mods on the car, it's got an MGW Shifter. And then we'll get into, I guess, the mods we did with Philip at Houston Performance Solutions. We did a cam. It's a Houston Performance Solutions cam. He didn't want me releasing the specs on it, so to get those specs or to order one of those cams, you're going to have to connect to Houston Performance Solutions on Instagram. We also did bronze valve guides, LS7 lifters, ARP locking head bolts. The heads are ported by Modern Airflow Dynamics, and I'll have a link to them in the description. They did an excellent job, had zero issues with that. They also replaced the intake and exhaust valves, and heard really good stuff about them, about their ports, getting a little bit more horsepower, running better. So went ahead and took the chance, went with them, and very happy that I did. Other than that, I'm trying to think of anything else we got done. The tune was done, of course, Saurian tuning, just like all the tunes I've got done in the past. Matt does the best on tunings and so forth. But we ended up pulling 762 horsepower. As you can hear in this car, it is just insane. And I may have missed a mod or something here or there, but that gets you the major stuff done with the car. The biggest problem I have right now, if y'all can't guess, is freaking traction. She does not want to hook anywhere. In fact, I can be in a gear, slowly build in the low end, and then start giving it gas in the top end, and she'll lose traction in the top end, even in like third or fourth going 60 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour. So traction is a major issue. But that's being remedied here soon. I've got wheels in the garage, and we're gonna put some 18-inch drag radials on the back of this sucker and see if we can get a little more traction out of her. But I am gonna be running a contest. Those that watch my videos fully, get near that 5,000 subscriber mark, and I'm taking this from Camaro time, but I'd like to do a video where I get back to you guys and show off some of your rides. So I'm gonna do a video for my 5,000 subscriber video showcasing viewers' rides. What I would like y'all to do is send me a 1-minute clip of your car, just like you would for Instagram or something like that. Just a 1-minute quick clip of your car. Try to put some audio in it, whether it's a cold start or you talking about stuff you've done with the car, story behind it, history, story behind you loving cars, whatever you want to put in there, something about you in there. I'd like video and audio, 1 minute long or less. If you don't have the access to do video or edit it the way you want, just send me 5 to 10 pictures of your car with a little story you'd like me to add in. I have no problem with doing that. So that is a contest coming up, though I haven't announced it yet. I'll do it in a video here shortly. But those that want to jump on the ball, I'm only going to take about the first 15 people that I accept their cars and so forth. You know, don't be sending in your mama's Honda. I'm not going to accept that. But so first 15, first come, first serve. If you're listening to this video, you're getting insight to that contest. And what I'm going to do is have viewers vote by putting number in the comments of which car they think should win. And the first place and second place will each get a petrol box. I'm going to do a premium for the first, and the second place is going to get a small petrol box, and I'm going to pay for it myself. So y'all be sure to send in your videos. I'd love to see your rides too. And let's see what kind of rides we got watching this channel. I know of a couple of them that are badass, so let's see what we got out there. And now for the much promised footage, I'm going to unplug the microphone and let's listen to this baby roar. There y'all have it. Hope that gives y'all some idea what it sounds like. I'm going to try to do a full exhaust review when I get the help of Roger here in the future. We'll do some drive-by shots, cold starts, etc. So you're going to be able to hear that exhaust and cam a little more. And that chop, 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 you probably can hear a little bit now. Hope everybody has a great week. Y'all stay safe and healthy. Stay tuned. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. I'm going to be working on that contest video next, so stay tuned.